live here. We are at the Grand, I almost said the Grand Floridian because this is so Grand Floridian-like. We are at the Disneyland Hong Kong Hotel. I just got back from adventuring around the island, and now we're going to find out if my room is ready and see what kind of view we get. I just checked my email and my room is ready, so let's go check it out. I believe the room is on the 6th floor. We're taking the elevator up. It really does feel like a smaller Grand Floridian. It's gorgeous. All right, 6137. So we have to go this way. Almost there. It's quite the walk. Wow, from the lobby, I think it's like the farthest possible room. Better be worth it. All right, we got my key and we got the room. Let's see. Oh, wow. Okay, bags are here. That's a good sign. Let's get some lights. Oh, gotta insert the key. Magic Mickey. Oh, there we are. All right, let's take a look. All right, room tour time. Walking in, you get an amazing view of the hedge maze that's at the hotel. And there is a closet with blow dryer, slippers. Looks like there's a robe. Really soft, cushiony carpet with some hidden Mickeys. A nice big mirror, and they have these stickers going on. I don't know if this is always happening or if this is for the spring celebration, but that's cute. Kind of gets in the way of checking out my outfit. But we go this way. We got coffee maker. We got some tea. Going with the theming, more tea. And then to the right is the bathroom, which has so many cute details. It seems to be Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs theme. So each dwarf has a themed bathroom item. You got more of the dwarfs on the mirror. Really nice. And then my favorite, you have sneezy or the tissues come out. Over here is the shower room. So you have the shower and the bathtub combined. I kind of wish you could see out the window, but then people could see in, so it makes sense. But really nice large shower. I love all the marbling. Really, really quality feel to it. Over here is a giant bed, like it's just me, but looks like a king size. And we have Tinkerbell over here. So sweet. You got a little fairy dust. And then out here you can see one of our views, which are really nice. I booked a seaside room at the Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel, and I'm not disappointed. You can totally see so much because of so many windows we have. I didn't get a balcony, but I thought the view would be enough. And on the windows, there's more of these stickers. Let's celebrate Mickey and Friends. So really, really cute. Again, not sure if this is always here, but I don't know, maybe it's left over from someone's birthday. The art over here is more specific Disneyland Hong Kong hotel art because this lighthouse over here, we can actually see outside of this window, which is kind of cool. So very specific to this hotel. Again, another view. I love how relaxing the colors are. The carpet's really soft. The lighting is nice and dim, very warm. Super, super pleased with this so far. First impressions, loving it. Very spacious. I don't know if I got a handicap accessible room, but a lot of extra room to walk around. I am so ready to just get settled in here. I'll be here, let's see, it's Wednesday. The park is closed today, so I'll be here Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then leave Sunday. So much time here. I'm so excited, so happy. Cannot wait to bring you along, see what we find. I really want to just explore every inch for as much as I can, because who knows when I'm going to be able to come back, if ever. So I splurged, made the most of it, got the seaside room at the nice hotel, and no regrets. I'm really, really, really happy. I wanted to treat myself. I spent less money in Taipei so I could spend a little more here, and the price was still way, way, way less than what I normally spend in Walt Disney World. I shouldn't say that. Less for a deluxe. Deluxe, I mean, specifically at the Grand Floridian, 600 to 1,000 a night, I'm thinking. This was under 300 a night. I got 30% off discount, I think, just for the season. And it was very, very reasonable. I think it was under 300, maybe 250, and that's, you know, pretty top tier room. It's the seaside view, so I paid even more for that, and it was still under 300 a night. So I'm really, really happy, and yeah. Anyways, gonna unpack, maybe wander around the hotel. I'm not sure. Let's just see what happens. So I just walked back to the lobby, and I can smell the fragrance they use, and it hit me. I think it's the same fragrance as on the cruise ships. I don't know if all the ships use the same one, but the Disney Wonder smelled just like this, kind of like a sea breeze. It's amazing. I'm at the gift shop. It's really, really cute. There's a lot of merch here. Wow. Look at this little bag. Wow. So they have the Chip and the Dale version. More bags, I think. So this is a blanket with a pouch, apparently. Another blanket with a pouch. So many Duffy and Friends headbands. The merch level is insane. There's so much stuff, and it's all really, really interesting, but a lot of it is Duffy. But my pal Gelatoni is by far my favorite. So much Frozen merch from the new land. It's really pretty. I can see Minnie meeting up there. Wow, it's like 8 o'clock and she's meeting guests. That's really cool. Well, I'm all tucked in, getting ready for bed. Super excited for tomorrow. What a busy, fun first day at the hotel. Tomorrow we get to go to the park. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear the new merch yet. Still deciding on the outfit, but I'm gonna end this here and I'll see you in the morning. Good night. Good morning, Mickey. Wow. Here's our view this morning. It looks incredible. I am so happy to be here. Good morning. It's such a beautiful day already. It's around 8 a.m. I'm just getting ready to go. The park doesn't open till like 10:30, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. Probably just wander around, explore the resort, maybe go outside. I have my new hoodie on. Got my new hoodie on. We'll see how long it lasts. If it gets too warm, I might have to take it off. But yeah, I'm just getting ready to go. The room looks even better in daylight. But yeah, I'm just gonna get ready to go and we're gonna go explore the hotel. I am ready to go. I got my outfit on. I think I'll probably end up changing halfway throughout the day. I'll be very surprised if Gelatoni, let's get him in there, if he doesn't just pop off in the park. I really hope he sticks around throughout the whole trip. But yeah, I'm ready to go. Outfit on, out the door. Let's find some breakfast or coffee and then to the park. When I checked in, they gave me this little portfolio. So this has my park tickets, physical park tickets. And since I booked using the My Disney app, I also got these like bonus cards that you can use to redeem like prizes and discounts. This also has my park reservation date stamped on the inside of it, so I have to keep this to get into the park as well. So don't lose this if you're coming here and they give you a little portfolio. This is kind of everything you need to get around the park, into your room, and yeah, those little discounts and prizes are really nice too. Looks like there's a line for Tai Chi with Disney Masters. That sounds really, really fun. Jesus. Wow, a beautiful day already. Definitely bright and sunny and warm. It's Disney magic, right? I'm not sure how long this hoodie will last. If it gets too warm, I'm gonna have to take it off. Here is the hedge maze that's just right outside of the Disneyland Hotel. Wow, this hotel is so pretty. Yeah, you can see more clearly how similar to the Grand Floridian in concept and inspiration it is. Here's one of the little things standing up. So it's a bottle with some flowers in it. Very cute. There's a pathway right next to the sea, kind of like a boardwalk, that I believe leads you to the other two hotels. And if I go this way, I believe it leads me to the park as well. So very walkable area. I definitely plan on utilizing this and exploring all the areas around the resort. I found some activities. Looks like there's some putt-putt golf themed to Alice in Wonderland naturally. And behind it, I believe is a pool. Really, really cute and nice that you can do all this stuff right at the resort. Really, really cool for days that either the park isn't open, or if, you know, the park really is that small, maybe you only need a day or two and then a day at the resort. Queen's Grand Mini Golf. Very sweet. When I checked in, they gave me a huge sheet of paper with all the activities, and most of them were free. A couple of them had a small charge for, I assume, the supplies to make up item, but all the other stuff was free or just kind of first come, first serve, like the Tai Chi we saw this morning. So I definitely want to try to take advantage of some of that stuff, but I'm such a parks guy that I tend to go and not spend time at the resort, but maybe I'll try switching that up this time. Found the pool. Nobody's in it yet. I'm not sure what time it opens, but very relaxing spot. I know it's only been like half hour, but so far Gelatoni is hanging in there. He came with a shoulder magnet that you're supposed to put on the other side, but he actually stuck a lot stronger to the metal on my backpack. So I'm just gonna leave him here, and then, you know, I'll be able to check if he's there a lot easier rather than on my shoulder where my bag would probably knock him off. But let's see at the end of the day if we still have him with us. I'm 50-50 shot. It looks like there's a pool bar over here, and look who's here. I found some tennis courts, so if you want to get some exercise, those are available for guests. And they also have a gym, which I'm going to try to use. It's not 24/7, but the hours seem pretty flexible. It's like 8 to 10, so with the park closing, I think tonight at like 8:30, there should be time for me to hit the gym. I also made the huge mistake of leaving some items at my last hotel, which is just so annoying. So I either need to rush over there, grab them before I leave Hong Kong, or risk having them ship them here and then not getting here in time. I'm probably just going to try to rush over. It was only like a 20-minute Uber. Grab them and then come back. I'm not sure which day or what time would be best, but that's a little stressful dilemma on my brain right now. Looks like they're doing some filming over here. I'll try not to interrupt them. Good morning. Good, how are you? And we're back inside the lobby. Looks like Tai Chi is starting. You can see Donald back there. Very, very popular. This Tai Chi music is so relaxing. It's 9:30. The park doesn't open until 10:30, but I'm just gonna walk over because I don't really have much to do at the resort right now. So we'll see if I can get in early, or if there's a line. I'd rather be earlier than late. So here's the entrance to the hotel. And I can hear the music for the park, so it must be very, very close. Just a 10-minute walk, maybe 15-minute walk. I'll let you know how long it takes. I may have spoke too early. I see a lot of people. I have no idea if hotel guests have a special entrance or early entry, but I'm glad I'm here now because wow, I do see a lot of people here now.